Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding my origami smle short magazine Lee Infield. Here it is. This is folded the same way as my here's my SKS here and Kara 98. Yeah, it's a pretty simple model. So you can make like a lot of them. And here's other ones that is not out yet, making of this video. But yeah, check them out too, and check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing as well, okay? So first you need a full sheet of paper. This is a quarter size paper, of course. Then you want to fold it in half, like so. Then make sure the center crease line is on the bottom right here. And you're gonna fold up these two corners on the bottom right here. So you wanna fold in this edge to this top edge right here, okay? Same thing on the other side. So you want to bring this side edge to the top edge there. Then you're going to fold these corners inside, okay? So you want to unfold them. Then you want to open this up and fold in that corner, okay, using the crease line that we just folded. So you want to fold that up like so. And then the same thing on the other side. So you want to open this up and fold these two crease lines right here. And now you see that short edge right here. You want to fold that right up to the top edge here, okay? Folding this whole thing in half. Okay, like so. And now you're going to sink this bottom portion inside, okay? So make sure you crease it well. Unfold. Then you want to open up this whole area right here. So you see the smaller rectangle in the middle. So you want to fold up all the crease lines, okay, right here. Okay, so then you want to fold down the middle, okay? So you see that triangle, you want to fold that triangle down. Just like that. And the same thing on this side as well. So you see that crease line, you want to fold that crease line down and fold the whole model down, okay? And now you want to turn it around so the longer edge right here is facing towards you and that shorter edge is facing away from you, okay? So it should look like that. And now you want to take this bottom piece right here and fold it back like this. So this is going to be the back side and this is going to be the front of the gun, okay? And now you want to take this top piece right here and fold that forward like so. Okay, and now you see this piece right here. If you look right here, this back piece, you want to fold this triangle inside. So you see where that corner is. You want to bring that whole triangle down to where that corner is. Okay, so you're gonna pre-crease it first, then unfold. Then you want to open up that pocket right here, then fold that triangle right inside. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole model in half. So fold that in half. And now you see this top piece right here. You want to fold that all the way up. So that's going to be the sight or the protective wings. So the model itself is not going to have sight, but the sight is between the wings. Okay, and now it's going to be easier to see on the other side here. So flip it over to the back side, and you want to take this bottom piece right here and fold it down, and you want to line this up with this top piece here. Okay, so you see that corner should be right on the model here. You want to line this up with this top piece here, as I said. Yeah, okay, and now you want to fold this triangle piece inside. So you want to pre-crease it first. So fold this triangle right up to this corner right here and match it with that corner. Okay, and unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and kind of hide that triangle inside. Okay, so this is going to be the magazine. Okay, and now you see this corner right here. You want to fold that right up to that corner right there inside where the piece of the magazine starts. So that corner. So bring in this corner to that corner there. And fold that all the way down. Then you're gonna fold it back forward, but you want this portion to be in thirds. So you want this part right here to be the same width as the front edge here. Okay, so roughly around there. So you want this part to be the same width as this part here. Okay, fold it back down. And now you want to flip it back to the front. And you're going to make the sight now. So you see where that corner is? Triangle. You want to fold that triangle back where that corner is. And now we see this slant right here, this edge, the triangle. You want to fold that to this front edge here. Like so. And now you want to fold this point right leveled with the gun here, this edge. Okay, like that. Then you want to unfold all that. And then you want to open up this pocket and fold this triangle back using the crease line that we just folded, like that. So it should look like this. Okay, and now you want to fold that top triangle inside like so. And then you want to fold up these corners right here. So if you look right there, you want to fold this top edge to that crease line right there. Then fold it back. So it should, this edge should be parallel with the front of the gun. So if you can see right there. Oh, this one's a little crooked, but you get the point. And you don't need to do the back part because that's the back part. And now you're gonna make the sight now, the wing protection thing. So you want to fold this triangle back. So lean against, if you look at the back side, lean against this edge right here. And fold that triangle backwards like this. Okay. And now fold this triangle in half. Like so. And then you want to open up this pocket right here. And fold that down. And now you see that bottom triangle right here. Fold it right up to these corners. Okay. Then fold this in half. Like so. And then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold this whole thing down like so. Okay. And then you want to open this up, open the pocket next to it, and kind of fold those pieces inside. Same thing here. You want to open up this pocket and fold that right inside. And then you see those points on this triangle. You want to fold them up and kind of in a slight angle like that. So this is going to represent yeah, the protective rings. Yeah, fold them up so it's pointing right up, okay, in a slight angle. And now we're going to zigzag fold right here. So of course it's going to be the stock. Okay. And now fold this corner right there in and stop at the middle of the stock. Okay. And for the bottom, you want to fold this edge right inside. Okay. So same thing, fold that corner and fold it all the way to that corner. You can try shaping out that semi-pistol grip kind of stock, but I just like to leave it like that. So you can make a little curve right here, maybe. And now you want to fold the bottom. You want to fold this bottom edge back. So flip it over to the back side and fold this bottom edge up like this, along with the magazine itself, around where that corner is right there. Okay, and now we want to fold the magazine down just like that, and then you want to fold just that front edge just a little bit in that, and fold the bottom edge in a slant because the magazine has that slant in it. And now the bayonet lug here. So you see this front edge, you want to fold a little bit of that front edge inside, okay? And leave this bottom edge to make the bayonet lug. Right there. Okay, and here is my smle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.